Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. I'm going to replace the rear shocks of my 2015 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk KL. Since I'm working on the rear shock, and you never want to trust a jack by itself, I got my good old Power Fist 2-ton jack here, and we're going to put it underneath the pinch rail. But we have this special pinch rail adapter that fits onto these jacks, as you see right here, and we're going to set her up. So hopefully you can kind of see, and then I just want to set it down on there, but not deflate totally off the jack. So got weight on there, weight on there. I'm gonna be safe to take off the tire now. There's a couple ways that you can do this. You can lift up the flaps where the rear shock goes up by removing a couple bolts and stuff, and you can get it that way. But for easier purposes and less struggle, for what it's worth, I'm just going to remove the whole fender skirt. So remove the fender skirt, remove these two bolts, they're 16, and then the shock bolt is a 21. Using the old air cat, and that's out. Fun stuff. Trying to get in there. Oh yeah, it's coming. We got it out. No gatekeeper today. We got is a 17 mil, and luckily we just got to spin right off, and everything else should just come out as needed. Probably gonna have to transfer a bunch of these parts over, so I just want to see. Got a new nut, and that locks it in place. I really want to transfer this over, this boot, so. Oh, I got her. Got her out. Pop that clip out. Line up the hole. Oh, that just went right in. Look at that. Throw that on there. Grab my new nut. And my new nut is probably the size that'll work. Okay. We're in and we're tight. Not really going to be a whole bunch you're going to see. I'm just going to get the bolt started first. That is going to be my first thing. So what I got to do now, since I don't have enough height anymore, I just stuck this jack underneath there. I'm going to lift up the control arm so I can get those top bolts in. Since there's only a spring there, it's going to be really easy to jack it up, especially get it to where I need to be. Right, and do that bolt up. There you have it. One shock's installed. All the fender skirts are back in. The other side's the same. Super easy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. And remember, be safe with the jacks. Never trust one.